Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on when you are watching the video. Yeah, this is our tutorial class for cartoon animation. I believe we have downloaded the Crazy Talk Animator software. So if you have not, please use the link to download it. So yeah, this will be our first introductory class. Then before that, you need to open into Crazy Talk Animator. So just locate the icon after you have downloaded it and open it up. So when you finish opening it, let me just clear this up and let's start with a new project. So now this is how your scene will look like or should look like as the case is. Now by this side you will see your project. This is where you saved your projects and everything. There's place for actor where you have your characters. We'll look at those ones later. This is the panel for animations. The things you might likely want to animate. This is the panel for scenes. And this is a panel for virtual effects depending. And by this side, we have some tools that we'll be using for our animations. There's the composer, there's the freeborn actor, there's the media to add media, script, text, and several things. So we'll be looking at them one by one. And at this top bar is where if you want to create a new project, you want to open a project, save a project, and you want to buy some things, so several of it. So we'll be looking at them, but to start with, let me just open you up to some navigation. So real quick, let's come to actor. So I want to just show you how it works and come into character. Then let's look at some characters that are, some are free, you buy some. Let's look at G2, G3, yeah, like these ones. They are free. You can just drag, okay, let me say I want this. You can just drag this and put it on our thumbnail. Where you see this box area, this is around where you work on or you work with. So when you are rendering your video, your animation video, so the things here are what we render. So this third F, I have actually imported it into my scene. So a few things I can do, I can drag it to make it bigger and drag it to the middle. So there are several other characters you might want to look into. So for G1, there's the G1 also for human. These ones you have to download them. So there are others. Some are free, like this one too. This one too is free. Oh no. Yeah, this one is free. So there are several of them. You can actually look around them and the one that really fits you. So well, I'll just delete this. So, and there is, of course, as they are humans, they are also animals. You can look into the animals and drag any animal you wish. Their spines, there are several of them, but their wings, several things. Kid sketch, talking princess. So just look through them and the one that fits you, you drag them. So as we begin our project here, we'll start making use of them based on what we'll be working on. They are kid sketch. So there's the head and several things, different kinds of head, human head that are inhuman, those kind of things, body fashion. So these are several things we'll be animating as the case is. So let me quickly show you something real quick, then hopefully next class we'll begin animation fully. If I come to body puppets, let me see. Okay, now let me use this. Let me use human. And let me drag this one. I want to show you real quick how some of this animation works. So I'm sure I'm not doing any big deal. I'm just moving things. If I click on this character, as you see me clicked on it, and I actually want to use a one that I will be able to animate the body, but then this face puppet, you see me, so I can actually do a lot of things with the face. This is a youthful face. I can preview. When you come to here and you press the space bar, you see how it looks like now. So it will change the overall look of the face, you see. So this is for face puppet. I just cancel it. So set several ways you want the face to look like. Let me stop this thing and cancel. Let's look for a different character. Sorry. Okay, sorry, I actually had a call. Now, so that is that for face puppet. So let's look at body puppet and let's end this animation, this tutorial class. So when you come under human, let's look at G2 human, and let's just drag Eddie and bring in Eddie. So these are ways. I'm just showing you an overview of several things you can do. This Eddie, if I click on body puppet, then I can, if I want to display angry, you see I click on angry and I just come to click on preview. When I press the space bar and look at this Eddie, so it's acting that is angry, that kind. So you can bring in these features in your animation as the case is. Of course, there are several things. Is off, is mode, is doing here, is excited, several things, is moving, is talking. So you can bring all these things to your animation view. Then scene. There are several things under scene. There's the classroom scene, there's the forest. There are several scenes. Let me just drag this. I will just use it as a background. See the forest scene view. So these are several things you can do. I don't want this video to be too long. In our next class, we start working around how to animate a character as the case is. See you. Thank you.